Hello, and welcome to the NextSTEP Patch Module Splicing installation video. The NextSTEP Factory-Assembled Patch Module comes pre-configured and pre-routed for simple plug-and-play. Each module combines the functionality of the fusion-splice tray and an LC or SC adapter strip in the same module. It includes an integrated splice sleeve holder that uses magnets to hold the splice sleeve in place, eliminating the occurrence of microbands that result from press-fitting splices into rigid plastic or foam-style splice sleeve holders. Now let's proceed to the unboxing and splicing directions. Now our patch modules come with a transparent cover that can be temporarily removed to access the internal components. Included with this product, you'll notice an installation sheet, splice sleeves, and the WireWorks CableMate strain relief device, which eliminates the need for tie wraps during installation. To start, using the fiber entry cable, let's go ahead and mark 18 inches away from the end of your cable, as shown here. Now go ahead and remove the 18 inches of the cable jacket. Attach the CableMate strain relief about a half an inch away from the bare fibers, as shown here. You may want to refer to our CableMate strain relief installation video found on our YouTube channel. Next, let's uncoil your pigtails or ribbon fibers that are included in the patch module. Now go ahead and perform your fusion splicing. WireWorks patch modules are precisely manufactured and engineered to have the integrated cable management system inside the patch module. The entry point fibers can be routed in a counterclockwise direction while utilizing the inner cable management system as shown here. Now fibers going in and out of the splice area can be supported by the outer cable management system as shown here. Great. Once your fibers are routed and secured in place, go ahead and align the transparent cover in its proper orientation and press firmly on it so that the clips on both sides are holding the cover in place. We also have a ribbon-style preloaded patch module. It contains a unique fan-out kit holder, which is precisely manufactured and engineered to secure and fasten the ribbon fan-out kit. The preloaded ribbon patch module includes one ribbon splice sleeve that can be easily routed and secured in place within the integrated cable management system. That's it. You're done. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can visit our YouTube channel or website at www.wireworks.com.